6. Heart disease is the leading cause of death for women in the United States.
February is American Heart Month, and one Austin woman is hoping she can generate more conversations about heart health because it's affected her life from an early age.
KVUE's Isabella Basco has her story.
For Deanna Linz, heart health has always been at the forefront.
I lost my parents at 54 and 58 years of age to heart disease. My mother had a double valve replacement when she was in her 30s. My dad had sudden cardiac death when he was 54 years old.
And it eventually threatened her own life.
I had my heart attack, they called a widowmaker heart attack, when I was in my 30s. And if they would have sent me home that night, I would have died.
Linz admits she didn't see it coming. She doesn't smoke, she's not diabetic, and she takes care of herself. But with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reporting more than 60 million people are living with some form of heart disease.
My story is not individual to me. It happens to a lot of people.
Dr. Vivek Goswami, a cardiologist with Heart Hospital of Austin and Austin Heart, wants to stress heart disease remains the leading cause of death despite technological advances. With no cure for the disease, he says 80% of it is preventable, recommending people avoid eating processed foods and trade those in for a healthy diet and exercise.
So we really should be treating diet and exercise like a prescription, not just a generic recommendation. So if there's a day that we don't exercise, that should be equated to a day where we're not taking our medication, because we know that regular aerobic exercise makes us live longer.
And living longer is the focus for Linz, who's determined to be around for her teenage son Carter, who has cerebral palsy, calling him her champion and hero.
I'm only as good to him as I am to me, and I have to be there for his future. He just turned 15. He's a New Year's baby. I want to see him graduate. I want to see him go on. I want to continue to see him thrive because he inspires me, and hopefully I inspire him. Don't let this be about your month. Let it be about your life, because your life matters.
A lesson that she's taking to heart. Reporting in Austin, Isabella Basco for KVUE News.
The American Heart Association recommends everyone get at least 2.5 hours of aerobic exercise a week. Dr. Goswami also recommends combining a healthy diet and exercise with periodic screening.